Good afternoon, students. This is a warm welcome to the online classes. Now, you already know that from 21st of October, we'll start the examination. Okay. Now, here today we are going to revise the MCQs of this lesson. Dorothy meets the scarecrow. Okay. Now, see. Question number 2. Which of these sentences are true and which are not true? The scarecrow never gets tired. Scarecrow never gets tired. It is true or false? This is true. The scarecrow is frightened of the farmer? No. This is wrong. This is false. Okay. The Wizard of Oz lives in the Diamond City? No. Where he lives? He lives in the Emerald City. Dorothy has a dog called Coco? No, it is wrong. What is that name of that dog? It is Toto. The scarecrow is wearing a blue hat? Yes, the scarecrow wearing a blue hat. And the scarecrow was stuck up on a pole? Yes, the scarecrow was stuck up on a pole. At first, Toto does not like the scarecrow? Yes. Now, question number 3 is answer the questions about these lines from the story. This is a short answers. Now, see here. Who is the little girl? What is the name of that girl? Dorothy. Dorothy is the little girl. To whom was the girl saying this? To whom? The scarecrow. The girl says that words to the scarecrow. Okay. Question number C. Why does she feel sorry for him? Why she feels sorry? Because he wants something. He does not have a brain. Because he wants something to the Oz that he does not have a brain. What happened next? What happened next? Dorothy offers to help the scarecrow. She says that if he comes with her, she will ask the great Oz to help him. Now see, you're working with words. Can you find these words in a story? Here, these words are jumbled words and we make the proper words, okay, correct words. Now, see here. First word is fed stuff. What is that word is in that story? That is a stuffed. S-T-U-F-F-E-D, stuffed, okay. Now, B1 is crow race. What is that crow's race? That is a scarecrow. S-C-A-R-E-C-R-O-W. Okay. Now third C1, lemred. What is the lemred? That is a emerald. E-M-E-R-A-L-D, emerald. Question number D is Fizzroado. What is that word? Wizard of Oz. W-I-Z-A-R-D, wizard. O-F of O-Z, Oz. E1, cold finner. What is that cold finner is? That is a cornfield. The word is cornfield. C-O-R-N-F-I-E-L-D, that is cornfield. F, gullet fray. What is that gullet phrase? Gratefully. G-R-A-T-E, great. F-U-L-L-Y, fully, gratefully. Question number 2 is which word in each list is not spelled correctly? Now, here 4 or 5 words are given and in that words you find out the incorrect spelling of. Which spelling is incorrect? Okay. Friendly, field, freedom, freshly, fried. This is the correct spelling of fried? No, the correct spelling is F-R-I-E-D, fried. That's why we circle that word, okay? Escape, discover, inspect, excuse, accident. Now this word is excuse. This is the correct word? No. What is the correct spelling of excuse? E-X-C-U-S-E. That is a excuse. Okay. Decided, dismayed, displayed, destroyed, deserted. Now, what is the spelling of decided? D-E-C-I-D-E-D, decided. Okay. Quickly, Q, quietly, queen, question. That is a quietly correct spelling? No. The correct spelling is Q-U-I-E-T-L-Y. That is a quietly. Try to find these words in a story. Now, here some sentences are given, and what is that thing? That things are given already in your textbook. So please listen carefully. This keeps an area closed off or protected, usually made of wood. What is that thing? We made a round of this one that is made up of wood. That is fence. Something worn on the head to keep one warm or to keep the sun off. What is that thing? That thing is help, and that thing is wearing on the head. That is hat. A thin piece of metal with a sharp point at one end. Which thing is that? That one, in one side there is a sharp pointed is there, and a round head of at the other, and at the one side say up. And that one side a sharp point, and that one side a round head. That is pin. A container used for holding things, often made of interwoven strips of wire or cane. What is that container? That which holding things. That is a basket. Okay. These rodents look like large mice with long tails and pointed snouts. Which things are there? That is a large mice and long tails. That is a mice. The orange of the organ of the body in the skull. Which organ of our body in that skull? It controls movement, sensations, and thoughts. Which things in your body that controls your body parts also? That is a brain. Okay. Now see, learning about languages. Here are some sentences are given, and we make that sentence in a proper way. Okay, now this is based on the story. Now that first one, the man took a note from the pocket and gave it to him. The taxi went off down the road. The taxi arrived. The man got in. He was sitting on a bench waiting for a bus. The driver asked him for some money, but the bus did not come. Now see here, what is that first sentence? He was sitting on a bench waiting for a bus. Then after that, he was waiting. The bus did not come. Then what he do? A taxi arrived and the man got in. Okay. Now after that, the taxi arrived and the man got in. After that, the driver asked him for some money. Okay. Now then, a man took a note from a pocket and gave it to him. And then the last one is the taxi went off down the road. Okay. Now you write down with the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Then you underline the nouns. What are the nouns here? See, the man, pocket, taxi, road is also a noun. Okay. Taxi again, man again, bench, bus, driver, bus. Okay. Okay, now this is enough for the study. Now you revise these questions thoroughly, and I also send you a pic. You write down properly and you learn also. Okay, thank you.